Guys, I'm freezing up out here. It's a frosty day for a ride, but we're doing it. Here we go. Montreal. Winter riding. Check it out. Here's our bike. Got a little bit snowed in. I was eating. I brought the battery inside to keep it warm. So here we go. Looking at a good old boat bike battery. Now, we actually have a bike lane over here. Oh, look at this bike lane. It was plowed once, but just since I was eating, it's completely snowed over again. Oh, no problem for the fat bike though. It's still just nice and smooth. Yeah, here we go. Look at this. Winter wonderland. I don't see any other bike tracks on here. We're fat biking, boys. Oh yeah, we're flying over this soft stuff. Let's go into the park. Okay, this is a little deeper here. We're still floating though. Woo! We're sliding and floating. It's not that stable. Okay. Here's one bike trail. That's from me going out there. It's almost covered up too. Woo! Winter riding. Oh yeah, let's just move it along here. 26. Got the throttle crank. 27. Oh, I gotta slow down. It's getting slippery. We gotta turn. I don't even know where the sidewalk is. I can follow these footprints, I guess. I don't know if they knew where the sidewalk was either. Okay, I think this is dog footprints. No, is it a person? Oh, it's deep. Okay, we could have gone on the sidewalk, but we're gonna try to cut through the middle of this deep field. Pure white snow. Woo! Oh! Oh! I'm sliding sideways, tipping over, but we're still moving. You don't know what's underneath. All you see is white. Whoa! But all of a sudden the whole bike will slide sideways. Whoa! It's just tossing up tons of snow all over my feet too, even with the fenders. It's just so deep and fluffy. Oh, I gotta lean over to try to turn over here. Gotta aim towards the sidewalk a little bit. Oh, we're pushing it. We're over the hill. We're over the hump. Oh no, there goes the no walk sign. We could have gone for it maybe. No, let's not try. Push our luck on a day like today. Oh yeah. And it's nice and cozy inside the old bar mats. Look at these conditions, folks. Let's get back inside the cozy bar mats. These bar mats are great, guys. I've got the ultimate warm hands today. I've got bar mats and my full winter gloves and little hotties hand warmers. Okay, we're just gonna cut across the street here. And go home on the alley instead of this busy street. Slid out, okay. Someone came over to help. That's very nice. I was able to dump the bike and wipe out standing up. Oh, it was nice the girl came over to help me right away. Okay. Yeah, it's slippery out, guys. We'll just go up the sidewalk. This is kind of picturesque. Doesn't look like there's any foot traffic that I'm gonna get in the way of today. Normally you're not really supposed to ride on the sidewalk on a bike, but when the weather's like this, if you just want to go slow, I think it's fairly acceptable. Here we go. Personal street cleaner. Now we're rocking. No one's getting in my way now.